I'm gonna make a guacamole. I have 3 avocado, a lemon, persil, some coriander, fresh onions from the garden, salt and pepper. Here we have some really nice bread, but a bit old. We made the slices. We're gonna put some olive oil and put it in the oven. We're gonna use them to eat this guacamole. And green paprikas as well, 2.
What's your before the picky and core?
Squeezing the lemon. Yeah.
For guacamole, eh? We're making guacamole now?
But it's a special one because often in guacamole people put oil.
Oui.
And piment. I don't. So I put the lemon juice in something quite flat because we're gonna have to use that to mash the avocado. So I take those little bits that are hard here, I roll them a bit like that, open them, then I'm gonna take the and I'm gonna put that here. So of course you can't do that if they are too hard. Choose them when they are soft, not too soft, but soft.
What are you gonna do on Judgment Day?
That's for the pie.
That's for the pie.
Delays? Those are the signs for those who possess minds. Are you blind to the times? Be kind, don't play around on this earth. That wasn't the reason for my birth, your birth. I met your search for the truth, don't just look in books. Statistically doomed by schools of thought, derived from laws of fraud. We've been caught by a trade of choice. When we lose, we didn't choose.
Just a little bit away.
Creeping down the throat, stomach upset, so then we play dead yet. There is only one, it's lost, left the word, but the word came with birth.
First you roll it, eh?
Yeah.
It's
easier for
To peel,
peel the...
not to peel,
Yeah.
to take the flesh out.
Sounds not okay, play away, not me. I must submit my clay, but what are you gonna do? On Judgment
So
Day.
beautiful green, huh?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? What are you? What are you?
So now,
You gonna do? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna what do? Are you?
I do that first to make sure the lemon is gonna keep the avocado with the nice green color and not turn brownish.
Don't have a clue what to do, so you're waiting like a fool, decorating your tools, dissing the book. Materialism is the path you took.
I'm gonna come back to it later.
Room, you can wait, decorate and create.
Beautiful onions, that's shallot.
Onion, yeah.
Onions, shallot de jardin.
Du jardin, oui.
It's a ticket, one each like a puzzle, put the pieces straight.
And when it's nice, I even take and put it with.
In case I have to think what to say. What are you gonna do if there is a judgment day? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? What are you?
Okay, that and now. I'm not gonna mix the guacamole, so this needs to be cut really.
Aha, you're not gonna mix it electric with electric
That's
device.
probably what makes the difference, you know.
Yeah.
What are you?
When you try to be quick, in.
The choice is with you, nobody's got a clue. What we know,
Then
we are the profile we read.
the herbs.
the herbs.
Persil and coriander.
Die, we can't think what if there is, so shit past the split. Repent, I thought I knew what it meant. Boom, and the paradox.
So what kind of herbs again, Cécile?
Persil et coriandre. Persil and coriander.
Say, but what are you gonna do?
So really tiny as well. Up.
Judgment Day.
It smells already really nice.
Judgment Day.
Start a bit.
You gonna do? You gonna do?
Okay, I'm gonna carry on with the onion.
You gonna do? You gonna do? You gonna what do? Are you gonna do?
Really small.
Try to show you that there is many ways of doing it. And then the paprikas. Been rinsed already. We don't use the white nor the seeds.
Picking up the man them car, that delicious. Picking up the boy Rowan. Number 7 and 13. I mean 20.
You can hear Shinri that's setting up a little stage. And I'm gonna go like that.
Picking up the ones who feel.
Again, like I'm not mixing them, then I need to be cut very small little bits.
United Kingdom, can you hear me? It's a little bits like flutes and tacos and fucking trombone and oboe and
So guacamole has to be fresh. So I'm not gonna put a lot of salt, just a little drop like that. But I'm gonna put pepper.
Yes.
Finishing with that to make sure everything is well mixed. The last touch, few herbs to put on the top. So I took coriander, persil, and the flower of the sarriette, like that. Something like that. Red would be nice. Oh, why not? Let's be crazy. Let's be crazy. That means, look, what yes, voila. So nice. I'm gonna put it in the fridge to make sure it's really fresh. Yeah. And once it's refreshing in the fridge, I'm putting some olive oil on this delicious bread, but a bit old, you know.
Yeah, never waste good old bread.
No.
Get me.
Like that.
Make a delicious dish with it.
Yeah. I'm gonna put it in the oven 10 minutes, and it's gonna be perfect to eat with the guacamole.
Oh la la la, oh yeah, of course.
Well together.
What's your beautiful Vicky and Paul?
Digging up England, man, you mighty kingdom. Can you hear me? It's a little bits like flutes and tappers and fucking trombone and oboes and shit like that. Flutes, a shaker, and some whiskey, damn delicious with me. Let's have Marie for queen. Anything if you're true to the thing within you. No one can ever make you do anything if you're true to the thing within you. Nobody's got a fucking clue. No one can ever make you do anything if you're true to the thing within you. You get me?
That's gonna go in the fridge.